Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. Welcome to the Happiness Phone Rental Service. Today, we will present about our new programming using a C++ programming language. We are from AS116 to C2, and before we go any further, let's get to know our group members. Hello, my name is Nuri Imalin Iliani binti Rosman. My ID number is 2022890452.
Hello, my name is Aisha Kristina binti Hazmi and my ID student is 2022476664.
Hi, my name is Durani Maisara binti Memazaki and my student number is 2022871342.
Hi, my name is Nurhanisa Ishira binti Hasnal Faisal and my student ID is 2022627178.
Before we begin, shown below is a table of contents that we will be explaining. First is a summary. Second is the objective for this programming. Third is analysis, which is input, process, and output. Fourth is the pseudocode. The fifth one is flowchart. Next, source of code, following by sample outputs. And lastly is the conclusion.
So, for the CSC126 group project, our group has been providing 4 rental service names as Happiness in Neighborhood. Customer can use the different types of phone for travel, events, or testing purpose without buying a new phone. These are the model phones that we provide for customers, such as iPhone 14 Pro Max that has 256 GB of storage and the price per hour is 15 ringgit. Next, Samsung S23 Ultra, which has 128 GB of storage and the price per hour is 20 ringgit. Lastly, Vivo Y15 with 64 GB of storage and the price per hour is 10 ringgit. About program components, we have selection for if and nested if statements, repetition for loop and while loop statements, function, which is return function, and void find highest lowest price and void receipt. Last but not least, array for rental prices, highest prices, and lowest prices. Other than that, for the programming process, we have service to manage reservation, check-in or check-out procedures, and billing. We also have to design a main menu for format of receipt and summary of rental in one day to keep the data of sales of our company, and also using suitable calculation to calculate price before discount, after discount, and include late fee for display in customer receipt. Then, for the program features, we include the menu with displays information of customers, model of phone, storage of phone, and price rental per hour for customer to choose the model of phone they want to rent with the price per hour of the phone. We also include additional charges if customer return phone late or more 24 hours. The receipt that include important information such as prices will be displayed. So, for the summary of sales, we have rental history, discount, late fee, highest prices, and lowest prices.
Moving to the objective of this program, the first objective is to create a service of rental phone billing system according to the model of phone, storage of phone, and price per hour rented by customer. The second one is to include discounts and find if late return happens. The third one is to calculate total charge including discount and find if any. Following by to determine the highest and lowest prices made that day and to display the total rental fee that customer need to pay in the receipt.
Now, we will move to the analysis part, which includes input, process, and output. For the input, it is the process of starting the system where user will enter either Y, which is yes, or N, which is no. Besides that, it is also a process of getting the name, contact num, and IC num from customers as the customer's information. Then, input is also a process of getting the phone's model and hours for customer to rent the phone. Next is analysis process. First, there's a function called for total fee equal to calculate fee in bracket model storage. This is a process to determine the storage and price entered by customers using if selection. As example, if customers entered model I, then the storage and the price will be set as 256 GB and RM15. If customers entered model S, then the storage and price will be set as 128 GB and RM20. Lastly, if customers entered model P, then the storage and price will be set as 64 GB and RM10. The second function call is function call for discount equal to user benefit in bracket hours total fee. This is a process of adding discount based on hours entered using if selection. As example, if customers entered hours less than 6, then the discount will be set as 0. If the hours entered by customer is between 6 to 8, the discount then will be set as 0.1. If customers entered hours more than 8, then the discount will be set as 0.2. In this function call, there are also another formulas included, which are price equal to total fee, total before equal to total fee time hours, and amount discount equal to price time discount time hours. The next function call is function call for late fee equal to calculate late fee in bracket hours minus 24 total all fee. This is a process to apply late return fees if applicable using if selection. As example, if the hours late is equal to 0, then the late fee will be charged as 0. If hours late is more than or equal to 1, then the late fee will be charged as RM5. And if hours late is more than or equal to 3, then the late fee will be charged as RM10. In addition, there are also another calculation included in this process analysis, which will price equal to total fee times hours minus amount discount. This is to calculate the price after adding the discount. Then, total late fee equal to late fee, rental process in array I minus 1 equal to price after, total all bookings plus 1, which is to calculate the total number of bookings made by customers. Total all fee equal to total all fee plus price after, which is to calculate the total price of all bookings. And lastly, total after late fee, which equal to total all fee plus total late fee, which is the final price that include the late fee. Process analysis also includes process of re-entering inputs for customers using while loop or stop the loop to show the receipt to the customers. And lastly is output analysis. This part will display highest prices as the highest sale and lowest prices as the lowest sale by array. It also displays name as the customer's information, total all bookings as total number of bookings made by customers, total all fee as amount fees that does not include late fee, and also total after late fee as final amount that customers need to pay.
Next is the pseudocode. For the first one is the pseudocode for the main function. The word that must be in the pseudocode is start, and then for the input is read answer to start the program. The second one is the customer information, which are read your name, and then read your contact number, and read your IC number. After that, we use while loop function where it is used to looping the rental process. So it starts with the while answer is not end. And then in this while loop, there are read phone model and read hours. To calculate fee, total fee using function call is calculate fee, model and storage. Then calculate discount using function call user benefit, hours and total fee. To calculate late fee using function call calculate late fee, hours 24, since in this programming, the looping process for 24 hours and total fee. For the calculation, to calculate total fee before discount, can use formula total before equal to total fee times with hours. To calculate amount of discount, can use formula amount discount equal to total fee times with discount and times with hours. To calculate price after discount is price after equal to total fee times with hours and minus amount discount. Then to calculate late fee, can use formula total late fee equal to late fee. Continue with the calculate rental price using formula rental price in bracket I minus 1 equal to price after. Next, calculate total number of bookings using formula total all bookings equal to total all bookings plus 1. To calculate total all fee, use formula total all fee equal to total all fee plus price after. Then calculate total after late fee using formula total after late fee equal to total all fee plus total late fee. After that, display the total fee before discount, total before, then display amount of discount, display price after discount, display late fee, total late fee, and read answer to make another booking. For the output, display customer name, total number of bookings, total fees that customer must pay, total fees that customer need to pay, include late fee, and rental price of the day, and highest price of the day and lowest price of the day using function called find highest lowest price and receive. Lastly, end function. For the pseudocode calculate fee function, in this function have char model and integer storage. First, if model is I, then set storage as 256 and set price as 15 ringgit. If model S, then set storage as 128 and set price as 20 ringgit. The last one, if model is V, then set storage as 64 and set price as 10 ringgit. Then return price to the main function and end function. Next, pseudocode for user benefit function. In this function, have integer hours and float total fee. First, if hours less than 6, then set discount as 0. If hours more than or equal to 6 and hours less than or equal to 8, then set discount as 0.1. If hours more than 8, then set discount as 0.2. After that, calculate amount discount using formula price times with discount and times with hours. Return discount to the main function and end function.
4.4 pseudocode for calculate late fee function, we include an extra charge if the customer returns the phone late in hour. So, function calculate late fee with parameters float hours late, float and total all fee. If hours late equal to 0, then late fee is 0. Else if hours late is more or equal to 1, then late fee is 5. Else if hours late more than or equal to 3, then late fee is 10. Late fee will return to the main function for calculation. End of the function. 4.5 pseudocode for find highest lowest prices function. Find highest lowest prices with parameters, which is float rental prices array 24, float and highest prices float and lowest prices. First, declare rental price as array with index 0, 23, then set I to 1. While I is less than 24, if rental prices with array more than highest prices, then highest prices is equal to rental prices. Else, if rental prices less than lowest prices, then lowest prices is equal to rental prices. To calculate higher prices, using formula total rental prices highest equal to total rental prices highest plus rental price to calculate lowest prices using formula total rental prices lowest is equal to total rental prices lowest plus rental prices. Increment I to loop the statement until follow with its loop condition and the function. 4.6 pseudocode for receipt function. Function receipt with parameters string name, integer total all bookings, float total all fee, float total after late fee, float total rental prices highest, float total rental prices lowest. So first, display customer name and as name variable. Then display number of bookings in total all bookings variable. Display all fees in total all fee variable. Next, display all fees include late fee in total after late fee. Display highest rental prices in total rental prices highest. Lastly, display lowest rental prices in total rental prices lowest. End of the function.
Now, I will explain about flowchart for main function. The program will start with start symbol, then it will read the answer given by customer to start the program. Then the program will read your name as name, contact number as contact num, IC number as IC num. Where the answer given by customer is not equal to n, then the program will read the phone model as model and hours as hours. Then the program will continue with first function call, which is total fee equal to calculate fee in bracket model storage. Then the program will continue with second function call, which is discount equal to user benefits in brackets hours total fee. Then the program will continue with the third function call, which is late fee equal to calculate late fee in bracket hours minus 24 and total fee. Then the program will continue to calculate the total fee before discount, which is total before using the formula total before equal to total fee times hours. Then the program will continue to calculate the amount of discount, which is amount discount using the formula amount discount equal to total fee times discount times hours. Then the program will continue to calculate price after discount, which is price after using the formula price after equal to total fee times hours minus non-discount. Then the program will continue to calculate the late fee, which is total late fee using the formula total late fee equal to late fee. Then the program will continue to calculate rental prices, which is rental prices using formula rental prices in array I minus 1 equal to price after. Then the program will continue to calculate the total number of bookings as total all bookings using formula total all bookings plus plus. Then it will calculate the total all fees, which is total all fee using the formula total all fee equal to total all fee plus price after. Lastly, the program will continue to calculate total after late fee, which is total after late fee using formula total after late fee equal to total all fee plus total late fee. Then the program will display the total fee before discount as total before, amount of discount as amount discount, price after discount as price after, and late fee as total late fee. Then the program will read the answer from customer if they want to continue the program. If the answer given is not equal to n, then the program will continue to execute all the activities in while loop. But if the answer given by customer is equal to n, then the program will continue with the function called find highest lowest prices in bracket rental prices, highest prices, and lowest prices. And also another function call, which is receipt in bracket name, total all bookings, total all fee, and total after late fee. Then the program will end with the end symbol. Next, I will continue with the second flowchart, which is flowchart for calculate fee function. The program will start with the function called float calculate fee in bracket child model and integer storage. Then the program will continue to execute the if selection by the model entered by user. If the model entered by user is equal to I, then the storage will be set as 256 GB and the price will be set as 15 ringgit. But if the model entered by user is equal to S, then the storage will be set as 128 GB and the price will be set as 20 ringgit. But if the model entered by user is equal to V, then the storage will be set as 64 GB and the price will be set as 10 ringgit. Then the program will return the price of the model to the main function. Now, I will continue with the third flowchart, which is flowchart for user benefit function. The program will start with the function called float user benefits in bracket integer hours. Then the program will continue with the if selection by the hours entered by customers. If the hours entered is less than 6, then the discount will be set as 0. But if the hours entered is more than and equal to 6 and hours is less than and equal to 8, then the discount will be set as 0.1. But if the hours entered is more than and equal to 8, then the discount will be set as 0.2. Then, the program will continue to calculate the amount discount using the formula amount discount equal to price times discount times hours. Then, the program will return the discount to the main function.
The next one is project for calculate late fee function. Firstly, we started with declaration. Next is selection. If customer return the phone 0 hours late, then the late fee is 0. But if the customer return the phone more than or equal to 1 hour and less than or equal to 2 hours late, the late fee is RM5 Malaysia. And if the customer return the phone more than or equal to 3 hours, the late fee is RM3 Malaysia, and the late fee will be returned. This project is to find highest lowest prices function. Firstly, we start with declarations. Then we set the array number as 24 and I equal to 0. The first selection is if I less than 24, it will form another selection, which is if rental price is I more than highest prices. So highest prices is equal to rental prices I, and we will calculate higher prices using formula total rental prices highest equal to total rental prices highest plus rental prices. But if the rental prices I less than lowest prices, the lowest prices is equal to rental prices I, and we will calculate it with formula total rental prices lowest equal to total rental prices lowest plus rental prices I. This project is for receipt function. We start with the declarations, then we will display customer name, number of booking, all fee and all fee including late fee before we end the function. For the source code, we started with integer main. We started with function definition. Next, in the integer main, we have variable declaration followed by displaying welcome greeting, and we have also listed the model phone list, which consists 3 types of phone, and we also add warning if customer return the phone late. At line 38, we ask the user if they want to start the booking, and we also ask the user to fill in their information such as their name, contact number and IC number. At line 52, there is while answer is not equal to n, and it is repetition for user to choose model phone and hours. At line 75 and 79, we will print the total fee and amount discount based on customer preference and the price after the discount and the total late fee if user return the phone late. At line 83, we ask the user if they want to make another booking, then we have increment I. Next, we have function call at line 90. Next, we will calculate fee for the customer. We started with variable declarations, then we have selection. If customer choose model I, which is iPhone, the storage is 256 GB and the price will be RM15 per hour. As if customer choose model S, which is Samsung, the storage is 128 GB and the price is RM20 per hour. If customer choose model V, which is Vivo, the storage will be 64 GB and the price is RM10 Malaysia per hour, then we will return the price. Started at line 120, we will calculate amount discount and another selection will form. If hours rented less than 6 hours, the discount is 0. If the hours rented is more than or equal to 6 hours and less than or equal to 8 hours, the discount is 0.1. And if the hours rented is more than 8 hours, the discount will be 0.2. At line 122, the amount discount will be calculated by multiplying the price with discount and hours. Then we will return the discount.
In line 138 until 151, we have return function which is calculate late fee. While in line 154 until 178, we have void function for loop and also array to find highest lowest prices. The end symbol is in void function at the parameters is to return multiple values from the function. Line 181 until 198 shows all the output for the display in the receipt such as name, total bookings, and total all fee.
Here are the sample outputs for the sample one where user booking for one model phone and no late fees needed. As we can see here, before users start the booking, it will appear the welcome greetings and list of model phone as a reference. And also, reminder to the user to be aware if ran more than 24 hours, late fee will be charged. The user enter Y as a start to booking. Then user enter the name like this, Ariana, and her contact number and IC number. The user choose model phone I, which is iPhone 14 Pro Max. She ran for 22 hours and her total fee before discount is RM330. The amount discount is RM66 and the price after discount is RM264. There is no late fee, then user enter no to make another booking. After that, it will show the highest rental price is RM264 and the lowest rental price is 0. After complete all of it, the receipt will be shown for the customer, like the name of customer, Ariana, total number of bookings, which is only one model phone, total fees that you must pay, and the total fee include late fee is the same since no late fee charge. And lastly, appreciation words, thank you for choosing us and have a good day. Next, for the second sample, where user booking for 2 model phones and with no late fees, and the other one with late fees. It is same like the previous one, which is have welcome greetings, list of model phones and reminder for user. The user enter Y as a yes to start the booking. Then she put her name as Irene and her contact number and also IC number. She choose model V, which is Vivo Y15. She ran for 15 hours and her total fee before discount is RM150. The amount discount is RM30 and the price after discount is RM120. There is no late fee as she booking less than 24 hours. After that, she entered yes to make another booking where she booked Model S, which is Samsung S23 Ultra. She ran for 28 hours and her total before discount is RM560. The amount discount is RM112 and the price after discount is RM448. There is late fee charge for this booking, which is RM10. Then she entered no for continue and it will show the highest rental price is RM448 and lowest is 0. After that, the receipt will be shown the name of customer, Irene, total number of bookings, which is 2, total fees for the 2 model phones is RM568, but the user need to pay based on the total fees include late fee, which is 578. Lastly, the appreciation words, thank you for choosing us and have a good day.
In conclusion, all of the objectives in this project have been achieved successfully. Throughout our rental service, customers can make the rentals according to their model and their desired period. The rental service was made instantly without any problem. In addition, discount and late return fees were also included if any. And highest and lowest prices of the day were also determined without any problem. And lastly, total fee that customers need to pay was displayed correctly in the receipt.
That's all from us. Thank you.